Hello, today we're going to be touring 939 Solano, unit number 8. This is a top floor 2-bedroom apartment located in a fantastic location, walking distance to many wonderful shops, restaurants, and conveniences. Okay, so let's walk on up to the top level. This is unit number 8. You walk into a beautiful light-filled living room. This unit is set off the street, so it is extremely quiet. It is a very quiet building and unit. This is the view from the living room. You have beautiful hardwood floors throughout. Lots of natural light. Gas heating. There is a nice renovated kitchen with stainless refrigerator. The stove has been delivered, and you can check our website for updated photos. There's a dishwasher and microwave. There's also room for a small kitchen island. This back door takes you to the laundry, the shared patio, and trash and recycling. Okay, back into the living room. I'm going to show you the 2 bedrooms. Both are pretty equal in size, and they're off the street. Here's the closet for this bedroom. Here's the second bedroom. You have 2 windows here. And this one also has a nice big closet as well. And it goes all the way back. Okay, here is the linen closet. It's located just outside the full bathroom. You have a tub and shower combination. There is a toilet, sink with storage, as well as a medicine cabinet. Okay, back into the living room. If you're interested in this beautiful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.